This year, Google is taking an alternative route with its Pixel smartphones. The company will follow Apple's trend and will have two Pixel 9 Pro smartphones. One regular Pixel 9 with Pro specs and a bigger variant dubbed Pixel 9 Pro XL. The XL will be the smartphone we've used in the Pixel series since the Pixel 6 Pro. However, this year we will see some changes in the design language. Today, there is an extensive 19-minute hands-on video that shows the new flagship in all its glory. It's one of the best previews we get for the smartphone ahead of its reveal on August 13. The video confirms the Pixel 9 Pro features a flat sides design. The company also changed the design of its camera visor. The island protrudes a bit more and no longer extends from side to side. It's closer to a conventional camera design than the visor we've been used to in the Pixel series. The front features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with nearly QHD plus resolution and up to 120 Hz refresh rate. The front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, although Google managed to deliver a matte finish to the rear glass. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL features the Google Tensor G4 chipset. It is said to be 15% faster than the Tensor G3. It lags behind the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but after 3 Tensor generations, we already know that Google is not pursuing the competition's performance. The Tensor G4 appeared on Geekbench last month, and it gave us some insight into the chipset specs. For instance, it will bring a prime core clocked at 3.1 GHz, 3 performance cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 performance cores at 1.95 GHz. For graphics tasks, the device will be equipped with a Mali G715 GPU. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL scored 1,378 cores in the single-core tests and 3,732 points in the multi-core department. The device appeared on Geekbench with 16 GB of RAM and Android 14. The new chipset also improves significantly in battery life, and Google is confident the phone will deliver more efficiency even with the same 5050 mAh battery. In terms of optics, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature a triple camera setup, and it uses the same arrangement from last year. It brings a 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP 5x periscope camera. However, every year Google manages to improve image quality via software. We're keen that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will capture better images and videos when compared to its predecessor. Moving on, the selfie camera does bring a hardware upgrade. Google ditches the 10.5MP camera for a 42MP sensor. Judging by the leaks, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL will cost €1,200 for the base 128GB variant. It will go all the way up to €1,690 for the high-end model with 1 TB of internal storage. Given these updates and improvements, will the Pixel 9 Pro XL be able to compete with other flagship smartphones in the market this year? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.